Driving quality leads with sponsored content. The success of a marketing venture on any social channel can be measured by lead generation. Lead generation is cited in the industry as a top goal. The buying cycle is highly influenced by content shared and conversations started on social media. Publishing content online and having it shared is the biggest factor behind lead generation. LinkedIn has created a platform where you can share content and build relationships with over 400 million professionals. How to miss this opportunity? Top business-to-business marketers have stated that LinkedIn is the #1 social channel to distribute content and drive traffic to corporate websites and blogs. This is possible thanks to how marketers are able to distribute sponsored content to reach their marketing goals. In this video, you will learn the best methods to drive quality leads with sponsored content on LinkedIn. Deliver content that drives lead generation. Developing and delivering great, valuable, and high-quality content is a #1 priority when working towards lead generation. Creating valuable content does not equal creating just any type of attention-grabbing content. You have to create content that brings value to people's lives. Content that makes a difference, whether people realize it or not, is what converts people from leads to customers. To know what your audience needs, you need to start by looking at what the questions are that your audience is asking. Then start answering those questions. Long-form content delivered through ebooks, guides, reports, and webinars can be distributed piece by piece to make your leads want to trade their contact info to get it. Depending on how long the content is and on how you plan to repurpose it, you should distribute the first 2 to 3 parts of your content for free. Your content needs to be visual. Text-only white paper content will not convert as well as content-rich media. It is recommended that you create a SlideShare version of your content to distribute on LinkedIn. Distribute your content as sponsored updates. Promoting your content as LinkedIn sponsored updates ensures that it will be delivered to the right people at the right time, thanks to the powerful targeting capabilities of the LinkedIn advertising platform. Attention-grabbing thumbnails, alluring headlines, statistical figures, and numbered list items work best for sponsored updates. Avoid promoting hard sells and long copies hyping your offer. Remember that you're promoting to professionals that know where the format goes to. Explain the benefits that your content offers to your audience, not to your business. Address your audience using the word "you" and give them a tease of what is inside for them. Optimize your landing pages. Your content has to be tailored to fit the proper user experience for your audience, and your landing pages should communicate that right from the beginning. Once a person clicks on your update and is led into your landing page, he or she needs to understand why the content behind is so valuable. Having an appropriately enticing call to action guiding your lead through the required action to obtain the content, such as a big and green download or register button, is a must. 2 aspects to take care of in your landing pages are brevity and responsiveness. You want to make sure that your leads won't be required to fill a lengthy form. Just ask for their names and email address. Secondly, make sure that your landing page is mobile device ready, as 57% of views will come from those. Optimize your campaigns for optimal performance. Use a tracking code in the URL page used in your landing page to track results. Track your campaigns in real time once they go live using the LinkedIn Company Page Analytics tool in your campaign manager. Bid accordingly to the relative value that a lead has for your business. If a lead is worth $100 to your business and brings in a 5% conversion rate, you should bid $5 for it.